Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure your Ps4 has the latest system software so drivers behave predictably. Once done, choose wired USB for instant connection or Bluetooth if you want wireless freedom. Wired avoids pairing steps. Next, plug the USB keyboard into a front port or a powered USB hub because passive hubs can drop keyboards. This first action gets you into the Ps4 environment fast and explains why firmware, connection type, and hub power matter. Now you configure and verify the keyboard. For USB, open Messages or Account Management and type to confirm. The Ps4 treats it like standard USB HID. For Bluetooth, put the keyboard in pairing mode, then go to Settings Devices Bluetooth Devices and select the keyboard. Enter any PIN shown. Once connected, make sure key layout matches by checking settings language and input. Change region or layout if symbols are wrong. These steps ensure input accuracy and explain why each menu matters. Finish by testing the keyboard across games, chat, and the browser to confirm all keys work. If the Ps4 fails to recognize it, reboot the console, replug the USB, or reinitiate Bluetooth pairing. Make sure you try a different USB port. Once tried, if problems persist, check for keyboard firmware updates or switch to wired mode and a powered hub. This eliminates power and compatibility variables. A single troubleshooting tip: reboot and repair before changing hardware because many issues resolve.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.